Sup guys, it's Ben and Roxy from So Vegan, and this is the So Vegan Kitchen, where we show you guys how to make tasty, delicious and scrumptious vegan food.
And easy, it's always easy.
Easy, exactly.
Gotta be easy.
If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because we've got some awesome videos coming up in the not too distant future.
And today we are gonna be creating a wonderfully creamy cauliflower pasta. Yes, we are using this bad boy to create a really cheesy, delicious sauce. We're gonna be putting lemon in there for a bit of acidity, garlic, Dijon mustard for a kick, and we have a secret ingredient, which is nutmeg. This is literally gonna take the sauce to the next level and make it super, super delicious.
Do you want to hear a very interesting fact about cauliflower?
Go on then, why not?
Where in the world produces the most amount of cauliflower?
Greenland.
No.
What is it?
California.
Oh, I knew it would be a joke. See, I was playing. Is that true though? Do they? Oh, seriously, this joker.
Should we get going?
Yeah.
Right. First thing we do is we're going to grab this cauliflower and we're going to tear off the leaves. So just tear off the leaves, slice off the stem, and use your hands just to break up the cauliflower into florets. So these are a little bit big, so we're just going to slice them again into bite-sized pieces. Guys, don't forget, do not throw away this stem. This is perfectly good as well, and we're gonna add it to the sauce. Just chop it up into small pieces.
Also, we can use these later on. These are perfect if you roast them with a bit of salt, pepper, olive oil, or you can add them into soup. So don't waste these if you can avoid it. And yeah, we're gonna save ours for later.
Also, we're gonna add 1 onion, chop this into 8. It's really easy. Don't worry about taking the skins off. We can just do that later. And then get 4 garlic cloves. Again, really easy, just leave the skins on, we're gonna roast them as they are. Throw the cauliflower onto a baking tray, get the onion on there, and chuck on the garlic. Season it with a generous pinch of salt, add some pepper, and then just drizzle over a splash of olive oil, not too much, just enough to make it nice and crispy in the oven. Get your hands in, mix it all together, get all that seasoning nicely distributed around the cauliflower. All done, super easy. Now we're gonna get it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees.
Next up, while the veggies are browning in the oven, we're gonna get the linguine.
Linguine.
So we've got a pot of hot water here. We're bringing the water to the boil, and first up, we're gonna season it with a bit of salt. And once the water's boiling, we're gonna throw in our linguine. In we go. We're gonna ease it in with our hands and give it a stir. So this pasta is ready, it's al dente, it's perfectly done. So we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna throw in our peas and let that sit for a couple of minutes so the peas thaw through. And then we're ready to drain it. So once you've drained the linguine and peas, just throw it straight back into the pot.
And that cauliflower should be ready now. There we go, the cauliflower's looking great. It's looking slightly charred, which is perfect. Peel the skins off the onion, like so, and then just put it straight into the blender. Again, use your hands to peel the skin off the garlic with all that juicy garlic inside. Oh, it smells amazing. And again, straight into the blender. Then you want to get about 1/3 of this lovely roasted cauliflower, including those stalks, and add it straight to the blender. Next, to make this lovely creamy sauce, we're gonna add about a cup's worth of almond milk, about 6 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This is gonna give it that cheesy and slightly nutty flavor. About 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which is gonna give it that kick. A teaspoon of maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Squeeze the juice of a whole lemon. Try and catch those seeds. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. This is gonna give it that edge. Finally, season with some salt and pepper. Now pop the lid on and we're gonna blend this up. We've blended this so it's nice and smooth. Oh, it smells cheesy, it's nutty, it's got that tang to it as well. And pour it straight into the pasta and peas. Oh, look how creamy that looks. We're so nearly there. Next, we're gonna add the rest of the cauliflower. Just throw it straight on top. And then gently give it a stir to combine all that sauce with that pasta and cauliflower. There's so much flavor going on in here. You've got that tangy mustard, you've got that cheesy nutritional yeast, you've got that roasted flavor from the cauliflower. This is such a winning dish, and it's so quick, it's so easy. It's something you can knock together in the middle of the week and you're gonna be super satisfied. All done. I think we're nearly there, guys. Now it is time to plate up.
Oh yeah.
Roxy, do you want to do the honours?
Yes, please. Let's go. I'm just going to roughly chop some parsley to finish with, and this is going to really make the dish pop with that lovely green colour as well. This parsley is so fresh and vibrant. Love it. And a touch of freshly ground black pepper for extra pepperiness. That is it, our creamy cauliflower pasta is ready to go. Benj, I've plated you up there. You ready?
Can't wait to eat this.
It is time for the tasters.
It's time for the cauliflower to get in my belly.
There we go. That's really good. That nutmeg takes things to the next level, adds an aromatic, warm flavour. Chunks of cauliflower there, extra texture, and the linguine is cooked to perfection, al dente, just as we like it, and a pop of green from the peas and the parsley. Absolutely divine.
Do you know what? This is genuinely one of my favourite meals right now. The peas add that burst of freshness. It's so tasty, it's delicious. And you know what the best thing is? It's just super, super easy. Knock this together in about half an hour, midweek meal, absolutely perfect.
Yeah, so chuffed with that. It's so easy and quick as well. It's the best thing about it. Thanks for watching, guys. We really hope you enjoyed the video and the recipe. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you can be alerted when we drop a new video. We hope you enjoyed it, and please comment below. We love hearing from you guys, and we shall see you very soon. Peace out.
Cheers, guys. Creamy cauliflower pasta. Keep going. It's good. What are you doing?
Moms.
What are you doing?
We don't need any more of that. We're not gonna have 10 minutes of you going, creamy cauliflower.
Can you budge over? You're taking all the room. Look. I'm being serious. Right, don't mind me while I just eat all of this to myself, right?
I'm gonna eat all of it to myself.
I'm not sharing this with anybody.
You sure? Sure about that?
High five.
Well done.
That deserves a high 10, I reckon.
Go.
And behind.
Oh.
Hey!